Is Formanor.com really a safe spot to shop, or is it just another trap for unsuspecting online shoppers? Let's get right to it. As of 2026, Formanor.com is popping up all over scam warning lists, and for good reason. There are a ton of red flags that you need to know about before you even think about pulling out your card. First major warning: non-delivery of goods. I've seen way too many reports from customers in the past year who paid for items and got absolutely nothing in return. No tracking, no package, just radio silence. But it gets worse. Some people who did make a purchase say Formanor.com kept charging their cards month after month, same amount, same merchant, until they actually canceled the card. That's a clear sign of a recurring scam. And for those who did get a package, reports say they received something completely different, like a cheap mini speaker instead of the mobile phone they ordered. Talk about disappointment. Trying to get your money back? Good luck. The company is notorious for blocking complaints on social media and ignoring emails once you tell them there's a problem. Oh, and just because the website uses a .to.za domain, making it look like it's based in South Africa, don't be fooled. Payments are often processed by third parties in China. So, what should you do if you've already shopped there? Cancel your card ASAP to stop any more sneaky charges. Call your bank or credit card company and request a chargeback or refund if you can. When shopping online, always make sure you're using a payment method with buyer protection, like a credit card or PayPal. And before you trust any site, look it up on the Google Transparency Report to check its reputation. Bottom line, be smart, protect your money, and steer clear of Formanor.com.